Now that we've explored the tools of the trade, it's time to bring everything together and set up your very own digital studio. This is where the magic happens, where you'll be recording, producing and bringing your musical ideas to life. First things first, let's talk about connecting your audio interface. It's usually a straightforward process. Using the provided cable, connect your interface to the computer. Ensure your instrument or microphone is plugged into the interface, and hey presto, you're good to go. Next, you'll need to install your chosen DAW. Most DAWs offer a simple installation process. Download the software from the official website or insert the installation disk, follow the on-screen instructions, and in no time you'll have a DAW up and running. Remember to check for any software updates regularly. Once your DAW is installed, it's time to dive in. Start by creating a new project. Set up your tracks, whether it's for vocals, guitar or any other instrument. Do a test recording to ensure everything is working smoothly. Play around, explore the features and familiarise yourself with the interface. In the section below I've included some free resources where you can download full high quality multi-track sessions in a variety of styles, so you can experiment and practice even if you do not have any of your own material yet.